Well, here we are, folks, back at the house, and Dennis is hard at installing the laminated cork flooring. Boy, I'll tell you, does that ever look great, Dennis? Let me outline to you the installation process here. First of all, over top of the subfloor, we're putting down a fiber cement backer board by James Hardie. And the reason why we're putting that down is for purposes of structural stability as well as warmth. Now, in order to install it, we want to use an acoustic glue seal. And that's applied on the underside after it's cut and put into place. And then it's nailed down using a staple gun with nails. That way it's good and solid and in place, and it doesn't move around either at the time that the application is going into place. And to cut it is very simple. It doesn't create any dust in the home because you use nippers to do it. That way the homeowners can be very pleased as well. Now, at that particular point, you could put ceramic tile through the entire house. But in this case, the choice has been made to use the laminated cork. So over top of the ceramic backer board, that's the fiber cement James Hardie board, down we go with a 6mm polyethylene. And then over top of that, we go with the laminated cork. And it gives a nice, warm, stable, and certainly a very ergonomic floor. It's going to be very comfortable to walk on. Boy, it's really nice and quiet as well. But super for the children to play on and still look very casual but formal. So I can hardly wait to see this finished. Brum, brum, brum. We're all ready for the race here, Dawson. Brum, brum. Okay. Oh, I think this cork floor is really great. Yeah. Dawson, this thinks it's a wonderful floor. And you know, for being a living room and a dining room area, what a serviceable floor. It's nice and warm. It's easy to wipe up messes. And, well, I think it's just, well, it's got everything that you'd want in a floor. It's got character, it's got color, and it's got that very meaningful feeling for that living area, but also a great play area too. What do you think? Yeah, that's right. Oh, it's just great. I think Cork has got a lot going for itself, don't you?